Okay, that is good. We move to the next vocabulary. I think it's simple. Put off or put off. Put off. That would be okay. I give you a clue. Put off means you are, for example, when you are, you do daily chore, or probably your mom tell you to do the daily chore at house, like probably doing the dishes. You don't do it. You just put it off, probably 15 minutes, and then you do it again. So by the time you don't like do the dishes from this time to this time, so we call it put off. Okay, another word to explain this, we can say delay. Put off means delay. About the sentence example. Not a problem with this. Okay, okay, okay. That is good. No problem. Next, oh, it's gonna be the last. Come up with. Come up with. That's the sentence. Okay, no problem. We go to the second type of questions. Now we move to the grammar questions. In grammar questions, you're only making sentence example. Okay, we learn a lot about modal. You remember what are the modal or some words for the modal like could, would, or would you mind, something like that. Okay, can you make requests with modal? Again, modal we using could or would you mind. Okay. Can you make sentence example? Like you making requests with modal? Exams. Okay. Yesterday's exam. Okay. That is good. Now, still with the request with modal, but I'm going to give you the topic. So you have to connect it with the topic. So try to make requests with modal related to security. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. One last request with modal. Now I want you to make a request with modal about the garbage. Yeah, do agree with that. That is good. Okay, we move to the next question. We also learn about gerund and infinitive. You remember about the gerund? Okay, let me tell you the clue. Gerunds usually end it with the ing, like going, learning, but they are not the verb anymore because they can be the subject or either the object. Okay, sentence with gerund. No. Okay, it's okay. You can still do it. It's the simple sentence when we're using modal. So modal ended with the ing, right? So we're making sentence example like sentence always include subject, verb, and object. So the object here is the gerund. So you still need subject and verb. So it's up to you to make the sentence like subject and the verb that you bring. But please end it with the object with the gerund. I give you my own example. It's gonna be very easy. I like cooking. I is the subject, like is the verb, cooking is the object. Object, the gerund. Okay, your example. I think I think watching. Say it again. Okay, let's say watching movie is boring, right? So we take the word watching there. Okay. We also have to infinitive. You remember infinitive to with the verb one. For example, watching we say to watch. Learning we say to learn. Okay. Can you make the sentence example with to infinitive? I'm ready to go to work. That's a good example. Yeah, to infinitive. What if I have a sentence? I use I use my laptop to work. So to work means to infinitive. Can you change my sentence with the gerund ending? I use my computer to work. Can you change to work with the gerund? For working. Yes. So both to infinitive and gerund there, they use it for the object. Okay? Nice. So that's for the grammar. Okay, now let's go to the main point, which is speaking. So in speaking, you will have 2 minutes. You can prepare the answer if you want. Okay, so for the first question, Polita, let's talk about computer again. Like how does computer make your life easier? You want to prepare or you just go? Okay, that is good. You have 1 minute to prepare the answer. I'm gonna take my note too. 30 second, 30 detik. Okay, Lita. Okay, again, how does computer make your life easier? You have 2 minutes to answer the question. Time is yours. Okay, we move to the second questions. Okay, let's talk about the invention. Do you remember about this lesson? Yeah. Yeah, it's a discovery like lamp, electricity, mobile phone, etc. Okay, so the question is, tell me about the inventions that you use it the most, which is very useful, and two least important invention object that you think, again, least important. So two important object and two least important object too, and tell me the reason. You have You have 1 minute to prepare the answer if you want. Okay, time is yours. All right, that is good anyway. Move to the next questions. Okay, just now I was asking about the computer make your life easier. Can you tell me now what problem does computer cause? What problem does computer cause? You have 1 minute to prepare the answer. So the time will be started by the time you start speaking. Okay, that is good. Take your time. Yeah. Okay. You. Okay. It's gonna be the last question for the speaking. The question is about the celebration or festival or customs. Okay. Tell me one of the celebration in Indonesia and yeah, describe. Are you ready? Take your time. Mm, okay. Mm, cool. Hmm. Okay. That's it. Thank you, Alita. So that's the end of the weekly exams that we have today for the speaking, the grammar, and vocabulary. Okay. Um. Okay. Okay. We have done with exams today. Okay. I have some notes related to exam also. Okay. For the speaking, I guess you always perform well. The way you deliver the idea also is very good. I can understand all the words come out of your mouth. The idea that you deliver, yeah, easy to be understood. Related to the speakings, ada beberapa hal. Misalkan, I actually like the way you pronounce a lot of. So we using like word connections. I want you to use the connection to all words that can be connected. Kalau kita lihat misalkan dari rumusnya kata a lot of. Yang disambungkan kan lot of-nya kan ya. T-nya akhiran itu dia konsonan, kemudian ketemu dengan O vokal. Konsonan ketemu vokal, dia nyambung tuh a lot of. Kalau British, kalau Amerika a lot of. A lot of. Okay. For examples, you mention celebrate it. Kan celebrate akhirannya suaranya T. Ketemu dengan huruf vokal I setelahnya, so we can say celebrated. T juga kan ketemu dengan vokal I. So instead of saying celebrate it, say celebrated. Okay, nice. Nah, untuk yang seperti ini bisa dibiasakan membaca. Nanti dilihat mana konsonan, mana vokal. Kalau konsonan vokal dia bisa disambung. Oke, and misalkan dari grammar tadi. You mentioned it's need, but actually I think you want it to say it needs. Di kata kerjanya it needs. Okay, not everyone. When we mention everyone, everyone is always singular. So not everyone is a kind. People is wrong. People more than one. So we say not everyone is a kind person, right? Kemudian the biggest comparison, bahasa comparison, perbandingan ada misalkan kata big. Big kalau comparisonnya komparatifnya lebih besar we say bigger. Kalau paling besar we say biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. So if you use the superlative the biggest, you don't have to compare it anymore karena dia paling besar. So don't say the biggest than. But if you wanna say then you use the comparative. So you say bigger than blah blah blah. Oke, kemudian itu untuk teknisnya dari speaking. Kemudian I think I can suggest also with the manner, like probably when delivering something. Let's say in your company, you talk to the person you want to talk to. Like probably you see the eyes. In this case, you can see the camera. Jadi biasa kan kita lihat di kamera. Okay. And ini dia. Kalau yang ini sebenarnya nggak masalah dia. Filler, filler itu kayak and also you say it is really so when we say the filler, of course we're thinking about some ideas, but I think it would be better if you try to reduce it. Kayaknya lebih enak tuh kalau kita ngomong tanpa filler. So it is really don't have to say yeah. Sometimes we need to think, but just not too many using the filler. Oke, sisanya udah aman sih. Oke. Kita masih ada sekarang grammar-grammarnya yang tadi, aku mau kita masukkan ke writing juga. Masih adakah link yang terakhir, Lita, yang aku kasih? Link buat writing. Kayaknya ada di grup, tapi aku kasih nggak sih waktu itu? Oh, ini ada, masih ada. Aku kayaknya kasih di sini aja ya, di chat box. Nanti Lita boleh langsung buka. Okay, you need to write at least 100 words. Okay, 100 word kalau satu kalimat, kalau satu baris 10 kata berarti cuma 10 baris. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, so we talk a lot about the computer and internet just now. Mungkin kita ambil salah satu di situ. So I think the title is the internet. How? Oh no. What? Describe. Are you familiar with AI? Describe about AI. Yeah, describe about AI. So I'm going to set the timer also. 100 word, I think we use the 15 minute. Yeah, 15 I guess. Are you ready, Lita? Sudah dibuka linknya yang tadi? Okay. Take your time.
melestarikan perbandingan ada misalnya kata big a lot of. So we using like word connections. I want to use the connection to all words that can be connected. Kalau kita lihat misalkan dari rumusnya kata a lot of. Yang disambungkan kan lot of-nya. E-nya akhiran itu dia konsonan, kemudian ketemu dengan vokal. Konsonan ketemu vokal dia nyambung ke a lot of. Kalau British, kalau Amerika a lot of. A lot. Okay. For example, you mentioned yeah that you deliver yeah. Related to the speaking, ada beberapa hal kan. I actually like the way you pronounce a lot of. So we're using like word connections. I want you to use the connection to all words that can be connected. Kalau kita lihat misalkan dari rumusnya kata a lot of. Yang disambungkan kan lot of-nya kan. E-nya akhiran itu dia konsonan, kemudian ketemu dengan vokal. Konsonan ketemu vokal dia nyambung ke a lot of. Kalau British, kalau Amerika a lot of. A lot. Okay. For example, you mentioned celebrate it. Kan celebrate akhirannya suaranya T. Ketemu dengan huruf vokal I setelahnya, we can say celebrated. T juga kan ketemu. Instead of saying celebrate it, say celebrated. Nah, untuk yang seperti ini bisa dibiasakan membaca. Jadi lihat dengan vokal, vokal di kalau ada latarnya begitu kita lihat tidak kelihatan.
Still have 10 minutes. think that's I think that's more than 100, right? Okay, let's see. First, kita coba lihat berapa kata ya. 200. 239. 239. Oh, yang bawahnya. Sorry. Oh, berarti yang ini. Let's take it. Oh ya, 106. That's enough. Oh, yang ini yang sebelumnya ya, kita. Artificial intelligence or what we call AI is a new discovery. It is really helpful because it works like a human. If you do not have someone to talk to, AI can be the one. You can make a conversation either in direct conversation. Okay, direct is a noun. You need to add a direct in a direct conversation. So usually noun they cannot stand alone. Dia bisa berdiri sendiri. Either diikuti dengan artikel kayak the atau a, atau dia mungkin jamak direct conversations like telephone or in the form of chat. Yeah. Other than that, if you feel confused about anything, you can search and directly the AI will give you the answer. For example, okay, for example, wait, wait. For example, thing you can put comma. If you are wondering how can you come up with a cortex, you just need to type give me the example how to use cortex. Then AI will give you the examples. Okay, that is nice. Cukup. Oke Lita, we still have many time to improve our writing. Yang penting kita udah bisa nulis dulu, tahu idenya, nanti style-style menulisnya, menulis esainya atau paragrafnya nanti kita bisa improve lagi. Oke, kayaknya, do you have any question for me? Adakah pertanyaan buat diriku? It's enough, okay. Okay, thank you for today. Kalau gitu Lita, kita ketemu lagi besok. Mudah-mudahan harusnya ketemu besok dan harus bisa. So sorry for the couple of days ago. Okay. Thank you. You see you.